Picking a career for life after high school can be overwhelming. Did you know that you do have alternatives to traditional college and you can still be successful and earn a great living? If college doesn't seem appealing to you, maybe it's time to start looking at career tech options and earning a great living in manufacturing. Career tech lets you start earning a living sooner. Plus, with a lot of employers paying for your educational requirements or training on the job, you won't have mountains of college debt to repay. Don't take my word for it though. Let me show you some real-life examples of real local people who made this choice and can't wait to share their success stories with you.
I'm Mike Mulholland, the General Manager of the Freeman Company. Undoubtedly, as a student, you're trying to make a lot of decisions right now in terms of what you want to do for a career. Do you go to college? Do you enter right into the workforce? Or take a career tech path? Today, we're going to share some stories of Freeman employees who've chosen career tech, and hopefully that will aid you in your decision-making process.
Hi, my name is Kent Cortell. I am a tooling design engineer here at Freeman Company. In high school, I decided to go to Vanguard. After high school, I went and got my associate's degree from Terra Community College. After I graduated with my associate's degree, I started at National Machinery, who helped pay for my degree. I'm now working for the Freeman Company, doing what I love, making a great salary, and I'm so glad I made the career tech choice.
My name is Christian Ross. I'm a CNC machinist here at the Freeman Company. I'm 22 years old and I'm making a great living here.
I'm Taylor Decker. I'm the production scheduler here at Freeman Company. Right out of high school, I attended University of Toledo for mechanical engineering. Came here for my first co-op internship, and while I was here I was able to move around to different departments, and I found out I really enjoyed the scheduling area, so kind of changed my career path and ended up staying here full time, and Freeman paid for me to finish my associate's degree at Terra Community College.
My name is Morelock. I'm our inventory controller here at Freeman Company. When I graduated high school, I thought I wanted to be a dentist, so I went to Youngstown State University to get my bachelor's in biology. I quickly realized that that's not exactly what I wanted to do, so I was exploring other options. I came and shadowed Taylor, our production scheduler, and thought I really liked that, and I really liked the manufacturing environment. After I graduated, then they reached out to me and asked if I'd still be interested in a position here, and I interviewed, and I will now be our inventory controller.
Every day at the Freeman Company, we use teamwork and problem solving to overcome our challenges.
My name is Anthony Herr. I started here at the Freeman Company in 2011. I graduated high school in 2006 and started at the Century Die Company. There I started my education at Terra State to get my journeyman's card in machining. I was a few credits shy of my engineering degree, so I continued on once I got here at Freeman. Both companies paid for my education. Last year I was promoted to process engineering, and I'm continuing my education at Miami University for my bachelor's degree in electromechanical engineering.